Hi guys, Jeremy Nett here from Permanent Acres, and today we're going to do an unboxing. Okay, then this came a day later than I expected, but let's see what it is. Okay. Alright, let's see what's inside here. Ooh. Oh, wrong way. Gonna have to do it the other way. Ooh. So this has got a nice screw-threaded cap on this thing. That's from the top. This looks like more of a thin-walled blade on it. Okay, I just got this off the charger. So this is an Adawlert Lightsaber. Got this off of Amazon. Retails for about 90 bucks or so. And this one is in the gun finish. So let's activate it. So you hold down the switch. Hit to turn on. It's pretty loud. So let's activate it. It's decently sensitive, maybe a little overly sensitive to motion. Got flash on clash, so if you hit the button once, got the blast. You hit it twice. If you hold it down and then tap it, you get the clash. So if I hold the button down for like 1 second, then release it. 1, 2, tap it. Alright, got the clash. Tap it again. Undo it. So this is one of those ones where it doesn't vibrate at all. You got to count it out in your head. So to change colors, you count to 3. So hold this down. 1, 2, 3. Tap it real quick and hold down and wait for it to change to whatever color you want. And this one actually cycles through the colors pretty quickly. So let's go with a nice red here. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to hit the button again to get it out of that mode. So if you're wanting to have the swing effect and the clash, you have to hit the button once more after you got out of the color mode. But then to turn it off, you just hold it down. I think it's for like 4 seconds, 5 seconds. Shut it off. And it's got multiple sound fonts. So hold this down. So Electrum sound font. Let's see how the lockup sounds. Okay. Ravager. Okay, so this one's the one that's silent. Still got flash. Still got the blaster option. Got lockup. So we've gone through all the sound fonts. I'm going to hold this down and see if it'll shut down.
The resistance is dead. The war is over.
One of the things I've heard a lot of people complain about these is the volume level set on these. I don't know. I don't think it can be adjusted on it. But I've heard some people say they use like a little bit of foam or a few other things just to kind of deaden the sound a little bit. I got the Adawlert out and Gabe's got the Saber Platinum. We're going to see how well this thing works.
Yeah, as you can tell, it looks pretty similar. I don't know whether to salute this or not.
I don't know. After a while, it gets kind of annoying.
I imagine so.
The drawback is we're not going to see like anything.
Yeah, we ain't gonna see any light whatsoever.
So it's broad daylight. It doesn't matter what kind of lightsaber you have. Let's see if I can get a color that works. 1, 2, 3.
I mean, mine still shows up pretty good. You can sort of tell, but you can only tell down here though. I guess you could say during daylight, you're... Wow, that looks cheaply made.
Oh.
The ah moment when he takes it apart and realizes it's junk.
We'll take it apart and see the wires already like snapped.
Nice.
Yeah.
See, I was right. It's already junk. All right, this will be the giveaway. We don't even have to test it. Here, it's yours for $5.
Alright.
Even when it
Let's
says
see how well the blade handles up on this one.
You want to go full on contact?
I'm just checking to see if it's dented or anything. Does it look like it's warping at all in contact? Like,
You mean like that? Usually, that's
Yeah.
just the diffusing.
okay.
A little bit. So you can still see my clash.
Yeah, this is dinging, but it's holding up pretty good.
Okay, full on.
Oh, I don't see anything. It's actually holding up pretty good.
Wow. Wow. This thing's tough.
They're both holding up really good.
Ooh. There's
The only thing I don't like right now is that it's already got a wire that is severed in this thing.
Yeah, thanks Amazon.
Well, thanks $1.
Well, let's see. So yeah, there's a slight dent there, but that was because you slammed it pretty hard. But other than that, it's just a slight dent. It's not like massive, but it's still holding the shape. It's not flexing it a lot. And then let's look at the cap. Cap, obviously, look, we forced it in there that last time when we made that custom video. Refer to custom video now. Right now. No, not there. That.
I just want to see if I can neck these two up, whether this will light up. Well, it actually is.
And now, a shocking experience.
Oh, it won't shock me, so.
Sure.
Yeah, you can see some light.
Yay!
Yeah.
Ooh. Nice lock. I mean, mine can clearly see, just clearly see the blue.
1,
At least I
2,
can.
3. Tap it again. Let's see. Changing colors. Oh, it turned off. But, yeah, I'm going to have to fix the wire on this thing before. Yeah, I'm really not that impressed with this. They should have at least put heat shrink around this. I think it was cut by the aluminum on the heat sink.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's probably what happened. It got too hot. Too hot! Call the police and the firemen. I'm too hot!
Calm down.
Well, you have to make it entertaining somehow.
I know.
Come on, Pillsbury. Come on, Pillsbury. Woohoo!
It's your door, boy. It's your door, boy. Oh, crap. So, after this, the blade held up great, but with the shoddy wiring, I am most likely going to be giving away a Adawlert Lightsaber. Doing a night pack. And having a wire sever already, that's pretty pathetic.
I like that eagle scream on mine.
Yeah. It's got some nice features, but I mean, I didn't even get to deal with it one time yet, and it was already broke.
Well, that blade's definitely not straight. Kind of curves to the left.
Yeah, it's a little tilted.
I mean, whereas mine is pretty dang straight. I
Yeah,
can see some dents on it.
this has definitely bent some since we were dueling with it. So I don't know. I really lost a lot of confidence in this thing, but a blade can be easily replaced.
Yeah.
Whenever you're having to constantly fix wiring because they didn't put any heat shrink. They should have heat shrinked the wire from around the heat sink down. That way they'd eliminate the cutting, but oh well. It's done. We're not going to be giving away Adawlert now. It's got nice features, but when it comes to having to worry about something like this happen, giving it away to somebody and then having it like peter out on like the first day or first time they deal with it, I don't want that to happen anyway.
Exactly.
So
Even when it didn't do anything. And I mean, it's nice that it has some very similar features to what this has.
Adawlert, it would be a nice entry-level lightsaber if the wiring was done better.
What
But
about the pricing? What do we have as far as
well,
pricing?
this is like $89.
Resistance is dead. The war is over.
Okay, that's a nice way to shut it off.
Yeah. The problem is the lightsaber's dead. So the war's over, but the lightsaber's dead. So would I really recommend the Adawlert lightsaber? Not really. It's got cool features, but whenever the wiring is done as crappily as that,
Yeah.
that's what makes all the difference in a lightsaber. Is the wiring, the electronics are like the most important thing in the saber. Because if you put shoddy wiring in there, you got a shoddy lightsaber. The swing sensor, the clash sensor are nowhere close to as good. It's got more sound fonts on it, but if it's not as good, it's not as good.
Yeah, exactly. That's kind of my opinion of it too.
I like the fact that they have a screw-in cap like this, and it's a deep-seated screw-in cap.
Yeah, as opposed to those stunt ones that we tried before, and
Yeah,
we
the
like
short
watching
neck caps.
cats.
Yeah, the short neck caps are they're just crap.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, then please press the like button.
And if you like what you've been watching, please hit the subscribe button.
To see our latest video, click on the link to the right.
Thank you again. Later.